Hey, young historians, Mr. Moran here, and we are continuing learning about manifest destiny. And today, Monday, we're learning about three different groups: the Black Cowboys, the missionaries, and specifically focusing on Jason Lee and the 49ers with the California Gold Rush. And so, yeah, we are going to be learning about the Black Cowboys. So many people, when they think about the old American West, they think of it as being dominated by white Europeans, when in fact the old American West was a mixture of all sorts of cultures and races, starting with the first Americans, the Native Americans. There were hundreds of tribes that had their own cultures and languages, have lived in the West for thousands of years. Then Europeans, such as the mountain men and the fur trappers, came. You learned about those. You learned about those. And then the missionaries, the farmers, the gold seekers, and later the Mormons we'll learn about tomorrow. But there were also the Chinese, the Hawaiians. We don't have time to get into them, but the Hawaiians came over here, and later the Black American Cowboys. There were also the Russians. Yes, Black American Cowboys. So today we're going to learn about their impact along with the missionaries and the gold seekers upon the American West. And a lot of Americans don't know about the Black American Cowboys, but you're going to learn what motivated that come out, the reason why they came out to the West. And some historians say as much as 25, some as much as 30% of all cowboys were Black cowboys. And they had a huge impact. And so once we're done with this activity, you're going to understand the impact the Black Cowboys had on American West, understand the impact Jason Lee had on the history of Oregon, and the missionaries, they came out west to expand their religion, and Jason Lee wasn't the first one. The first one was Marcus Whitman and his wife Narcissa, and they established a missionary just outside of Walla Walla, Washington, today Walla Walla, Washington. And there were other missionaries that came out, but these were some of the first larger groups of permanent whites that came out to the West. And then we're going to learn about the California Gold Rush. And what we're going to do is you're going to go to a thing link like you did before. You're going to view some videos, and then you're going to complete the quiz that goes along with that. And as always, you're welcome to have your thing link in the videos open as you complete the quiz. Also, I have some bonus materials if you want to learn more about the African American Cowboys. Also, there's the Buffalo Soldiers. These were a segregated group of African American soldiers whose job was to patrol out in the West. And then you can learn more about the Gold Rush here. So if you have any questions, as always, swing on by my office hours, or else shoot me an email. Thanks, Wildcats. Have a great day. Bye.